Alright, time for a little bit of a secret. Best thing to do before you pop this thing in the case is to install the CPU and the memory. Why? Because it's a pain in the butt to put it in when the case is already in, or when the motherboard's already in the case. Wow, it's got a lot of crap in it. Now, we will take the memory, and normally if you have just 2 RAM sticks, you want to make sure you look in your motherboard book to see which ones you're supposed to put it in for your dual channel, but since I will be filling every slot, we don't have to do that. We don't have to worry about it. We'll just pop it up in there. Oh yeah, free case graffiti up in here. These come with little G-Skill do-ollies to put on your case. Oh, the stickers, I'm gonna put that on my car. I'm just kidding, I would never do that. Actually, this RAM looks pretty sweet, man. It looks pretty hip. So you take out the RAM. And smush down the little do-ollies. Line it up. And press ever so gently, as hard as you can to get it in there to snap. Next stick. Blam! More memory. More memory. Snap, snap, snap.